If you need to create professional UML diagrams quickly, Lucidchart is one of the easiest tools to use, even if you're just getting started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Lucidchart for UML diagrams step by step, so you can build clean class diagrams, sequence diagrams, and more, without getting lost in the process. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy software guides just like this. First, log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're in, click the plus new button to create a new document. You can start with a blank document if you want full control, or choose a UML template if you want to save time and begin with a ready-made layout. Templates are especially helpful when you want to focus on structure instead of building everything from scratch. After your new document opens, the next step is to enable the UML Shape library. On the left panel, scroll down and click More Shapes. This opens the Shape Manager, where you can search for UML. From there, select the UML library you need. For example, you might choose UML class diagram shapes if you're designing software classes, or UML sequence diagram shapes if you're mapping interactions between objects. Once you've selected the correct library, click Use Selected Shapes or Save so the shapes appear in your sidebar. Now you're ready to start building your diagram. Drag the UML shapes you need onto the canvas. You can place classes, actors, objects, lifelines, or any other shapes that match the type of diagram you're creating. After placing a shape, double-click it to add details like the class name, attributes, methods, or message labels. This is where your diagram starts becoming useful because the names and relationships give structure to your system design. Next, connect the shapes together. Hover over a shape until the connection points appear, then drag a connector to the next shape. Lucidchart makes it easy to link elements visually, and that helps your diagram stay organized and readable. After connecting the shapes, click on the connector and choose the correct relationship style from the top toolbar. For UML diagrams, this part is important because different line styles represent different meanings, such as inheritance, association, dependency, or aggregation. Choosing the right connector makes your diagram more accurate and more professional. As you continue, take a moment to review the layout. Make sure the spacing is clear, the text is readable, and the relationships make sense. If needed, click and drag shapes around to keep everything aligned. A neat diagram is always easier to understand, especially when you're sharing it with teammates, clients, or instructors. Once your UML diagram is ready, you can share it with others by clicking Share. This is great if you want someone to review your design or collaborate on the same document in real time. If you want to download a copy instead, click the three horizontal lines, choose Export, and then select a file format like PDF, PNG, or JPEG. That gives you a clean version you can store, print, or include in a presentation. So that's how to use Lucidchart for UML diagrams from start to finish. You created a new document, enabled the UML shapes, added your diagram elements, connected everything properly, and exported or shared your finished work. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.